Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel where today we're going to be recapping the price action from Monday, April 20th, where I managed to just come out break even after losing two trades in the morning. So looking at the daily chart, we can see that we have both above the all-time highs, and then we had a 250 points or so gap to the downside, and I was mainly looking to get this gap filled. And as you can see on the 7-hour chart, we have a PSP on NQ, and we also can see we have a SMT between these lows. So this is an SMT fill, and pretty much this confirmed my low of day in Asia. On the 4-hour chart, we can see that we have pretty much the same thing with this 1800 candle being up close on NQ and ES, and being a Dow close on YM. And we still have this PSP like this. So I was pretty confident in this being the low of day. And the first trade I took was early in the 6-hour candle, where we can see that we have been pushing up, and we also have this SMT like this, where you can see that NQ took out this low, while on ES we had an SMT to the upside, and also on YM. I was mainly looking to target this intra-candle high, and I pre-fired this entry when I saw the reaction on the 5-minute chart, where you can see that we have these two down close candles driving into this low right here, and then we have a really nice V shape out of that. And once the 15-minute candle closed here, I basically put my stop below this inversion fair value gap on the 3-minute chart and the bodies of these candles, so basically like this. And I was targeting 2R above these highs, and it was pretty unfortunate that price just came, took my stop, and then moved into my favor. But that was the first trade. And moving on to the next, we can see that 9:30 put in a PSP with YM just going up and started consolidating until 10 o'clock, where 10 o'clock started going down. And I've seen here on the 10:09 candle that also YM started going down with NQ, and NQ being the overall bearish from the 9:30. I saw this, where we had these two candles drive into this low. We disrespected this bearish fair value gap here. We put another bullish fair value gap here, so basically BPR, and then we invalidated it very fast, and I put my stop above this high, and I was targeting this resting liquidity left from pre-New York. And as you can see, I've been pretty unfortunate again. Price just shallowly took me out and then went into my favor, and I waited for the rest of the day until here. So when we opened the 6 o'clock the 6-hour candle, you can see that this was a PSP, and I was looking to trade up to New York's high. And you can see that on the 1 hour we have this PSP, where YM was more so stuck in a consolidation. I now was looking to take NQ, because on the 5-minute chart we can see that we just have a lot of resting liquidity up there. And after seeing 1 and 2 PSPs, and with this PSP we had an SMT like this, and I've seen YM started going up, I just basically took a trade right here with my stop on this low and targeting 2R to get back what I lost in the early sessions. And I could have even gone like for 3R. That was a bit unfortunate. You would have just missed it by a couple of ticks. But yeah, I mainly aimed for 2R to just get back what I lost. And overall, I think it was a pretty unlucky day. The entries weren't that bad. We had a lot of confluences going our way, and it was mainly like poor stop placement, and maybe just a tiny bit of bad luck. But yeah, this is pretty much gonna be it. If you like this type of content, please leave a like, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.